In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag the chart to the left in Ctrader. This quick skill is all about reviewing past price action. Whether you're checking how a trend developed, revisiting a key support or resistance level, or confirming where news affected the market, being able to scroll back smoothly will make your analysis faster and clearer. Start by launching Ctrader. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Once the platform is open, head to your watch list and open the chart for the symbol you want to analyze. Double-clicking a symbol or dragging it onto your workspace will bring up its chart. It helps to pick the time frame you're focused on, anything from 1 minute to daily. So what you see matches your analysis plan. If the candles look too compressed or too zoomed in, a quick zoom adjustment now will make scrolling back more intuitive. Take a look at the chart toolbar at the top. This is where you'll find your chart controls like zoom, crosshair, and drawing tools. It's useful to know what's active because if a drawing tool is selected, clicking might start a line instead of moving the chart. If that happens, simply cancel the tool first so the chart responds to your drag. Now move your mouse onto the chart area, away from the axes or any indicator labels. Click and hold your mouse button on the chart background. With the button still held down, drag to the left. As you do, you'll see the timescale at the bottom shift backwards, revealing earlier candles and more historical data. Keep dragging steadily until you reach the period you want to review. If the chart seems to snap back to the most recent price, check your toolbar settings later for any auto scroll option that might be enabled. Trackpad users can use the same press and drag motion. The idea is the same. Click, hold, and pull the view to the left. When you reach the area you want, release the mouse button to lock in that view. Take a moment to read the timestamps and price levels so you know exactly where you've landed. From here, you can add drawings, mark zones, or simply observe how price behaved. If you overshoot, just click and drag to the right to move forward again. And remember, a small vertical drag adjusts the visible price area, which can help if candles look too tall or too squeezed. That's all there is to it. Practice this a few times on different time frames so it becomes second nature, and you'll navigate historical charts in Ctrader with confidence.